Welcome back to our Unity Asset Manager demo series. In our last episode, we built a complete Unity scene with the building model and the skid loader. Now, let's explore one of the most powerful features, version control. Now let's head back to Unity Cloud to dive deeper. Here, we open the skid loader asset and switch to edit mode. From the feature menu, we can access key functions like download, optimize, convert, and extract metadata. But today, we'll focus on the replace feature. We select the new green version of our skid loader, confirm the replacement, and leave a quick comment describing the change for our teammates. At this point, we're still on version 1, but as soon as the new model finishes processing, Asset Manager automatically generates metadata and thumbnails for version 2. Once the transformation is complete, we open the updated model and instantly see the difference. The green skid loader is now live, and our asset has officially moved to version 2. With version control, every change is tracked. We can open the version history and review all previous updates, comments, and authors, ensuring full transparency and accountability across the project. Next, let's switch back to Unity Editor. We open the Asset Manager window under the Window menu and connect to our Unity Cloud project. Notice the skid loader icon. It's marked as outdated, meaning there's a newer version available in the cloud. All we need to do is click Update to Latest. And just like that, the model refreshes to the newest version automatically, keeping our local project perfectly synchronized with Unity Cloud. With Unity Asset Manager, version control becomes collaboration in motion. Replace, review, comment, and sync without ever leaving Unity. Stop managing files. Start managing creativity in real time with TD SYNNEX Daytech.